Ever wished you could keep your food fresh all year without relying on a fridge? In this video, I'll show you how to install a root cellar step by step so you can preserve your harvest like a pro. If you miss out, you could be stuck relying on expensive appliances instead of a sustainable, low-cost solution. Stick around to learn the one thing most people forget when building a root cellar that could save you tons of time and money. Alright, let's jump right in. When building a root cellar, there's one crucial thing that most people forget, and it could cost you time, money, and efficiency. The key element people overlook is proper ventilation. A root cellar needs to maintain a constant temperature and humidity to keep your food fresh. Without good airflow, mold can form, or your produce might spoil quicker than you expected. Here's the trick: you need two vents, one for intake and one for exhaust. The intake vent should be at the bottom of the cellar, drawing in cool air, while the exhaust vent goes at the top to release warm, moist air. This simple setup helps regulate both temperature and humidity, keeping your food fresher for longer. Plus, installing vents is affordable and easy. Skipping this step can lead to problems that might force you to redo parts of the cellar or even lose your stored food. That's why it's a must-do. So there you have it. The ventilation system is a simple, yet often forgotten step that can make all the difference in preserving your food and saving you both time and money in the long run. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks about off-grid living.